Are you struggling with an npm install error while trying to set up Angular CLI on your Windows 10 machine? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and get you back on track. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're excited to start a new project, only to be met with installation errors. It's like getting a flat tire right before a road trip. But don't worry, we will sort this out together. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently reported an error when trying to install Angular CLI globally using the command npm install-g Angular CLI. They shared their Node and npm versions, which are Node version 4.5.0 and npm version 5.0.1. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what could be causing this npm install error? It often stems from outdated versions of Node or npm, permission issues, or even network problems. We'll break it down step by step to identify the root cause. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To begin resolving the npm install error, the user should first check their Node.js version. It's important to ensure that they are using a compatible version for Angular CLI. If the Node.js version is outdated, the user needs to update it. They can download the latest version from the official Node.js website. Next, the user should clear the npm cache. This can help resolve any issues related to corrupted cache files that might be causing the installation error. After clearing the cache, the user can attempt to install Angular CLI again. They should run the command with administrative privileges to avoid permission issues. Finally, if the installation is successful, the user can verify it by checking the Angular CLI version. This confirms that everything is set up correctly. Fun fact, did you know that npm is the largest software registry in the world? It's like a treasure chest for developers, but sometimes it can feel like a maze. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests a few steps to resolve the npm install error. First, remove the existing Angular CLI installation using npm remove g Angular CLI. Next, clean the npm cache with npm cache clean. Finally, reinstall Angular CLI with npm install-g Angular CLI. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution suggests checking your system's path variables for Node and npm. Ensure that the user variable points to your npm directory and the system variable points to your Node.js installation. Next, restart your system and update npm. You can do this by running the commands to install the latest npm version and clean the npm cache. Finally, uninstall any previous versions of Angular CLI and reinstall it using the updated command. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution shared by another user involves several steps. First, they suggest uninstalling the Angular CLI globally using git bash. Then, verify the npm cache. After that, uninstall Node.js through the Windows menu. Next, navigate to the app data directory and remove the npm and npm cache folders. It's crucial to restart Windows before reinstalling Node.js. Finally, they recommend reinstalling the Angular CLI globally using npm. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves a few steps to resolve the npm install error. First, delete the Angular-related folders from your npm directory. Specifically, remove the @Angular folder, the ng folder, and the ng.cmd and ng.ps1 files from your app data roaming npm directory. After that, run the command npm install-g @Angular/CLI in your command prompt. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your Node and npm updated. This simple habit can save you from countless headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve your npm install error and get Angular CLI up and running. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to keep your software updated.